what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know that I am. Guys, man, we're going to talk today about Solana wallet exploit. We're also going to talk about Robinhood as well. In the bear market, bearish things happen. So guys, before we get started, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on all our different social medias, as you guys see below. We're on TikTok, Instagram, we're on Twitter. You get a lot of information from me on Twitter, guys, as well as Instagram. So make sure you follow me right down there on all our social medias, and make sure you are subscribing to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel, guys. We drop a lot of gems, a lot of jewels on this channel. And thanks for joining me live here Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as we do every Wednesday. All right. So, but before we do all that stuff, guys, make sure you guys check out our website, cryptoblack.net. We have our beginners course right over there, to where you get able to actually learn about crypto security, guys. We go over that crypto security inside the beginners course. A lot of people ask for a lot of people ask for affordable things. A lot of people say, hey man, these things are too I want to learn about crypto, but stuff is too expensive, I can't afford it. That's why I made this course exactly what it is. I made this course very, very, very affordable for everyone. 7-day money back guarantee. It's only $75, $74.99. So very affordable. So whoever that do want to take this beginners course, you're able to come inside here, and we made it very, very, very affordable for you guys to learn. All right. So guys, man, we're going to talk about, before we go into Solana and everything, man, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. The market is looking pretty good. We had a dump yesterday because, with Nancy Pelosi going over to Taiwan, people were a little nervous because China was, saying some things. She landed, then the markets would start to push up. We had a little dip last night because of what happened with Solana, but man, markets is looking bullish. We're still in a bear market. Don't get it wrong. But you always can have bullish periods during a bear market, and you will have those bullish periods during the bear market. You just have to stay in the market and understand exactly what's going on, or dollar cost average, and don't have to worry about it. And they say, you know what? I ain't worried about it. I count all my riches in the bull market in a few years. All right. So we're seeing Bitcoin, as I said before, Bitcoin, we was inside this box for 31 days, guys. We've seen it right here. Same thing, what happened before. We was inside this box here for 32 days. We was in the box for 31 days. We pushed up, went all the way up to my resistance. I think it was the 50-day moving average at the time. And you see we still keep flirting with that 50-day moving average. We got to close above it. So once we close above, I think we can really start springing up to about 28,000, guys. Once we spring to 28,000, then I think it would be pretty good. Cause remember we had a big push down, boom. You know what I mean? So we had a nice push up, but we got to get above this right here. We got to get above this 50-day moving average, roughly about 20, and I told you about 23,886. And I think we'll be fine. But man, what's been going on, man? One of my favorite coins, man, BNB. BNB, man, is pushing. So you guys see right here, man, BNB is up over 7%. I keep telling people, man, you don't count out BNB. Binance is the largest exchange in the actual world by far. It's not even close. You know what I mean? It's like a rabbit racing a turtle. So plus they have their whole DeFi ecosystem. So I think people really need to understand that. So a lot of people look at Binance. I see a lot of people say, hey man, Binance is actually, it's centralized, blah, blah, blah. But they have their own DeFi ecosystem. So they have the whole decentralized ecosystem that they have, which is EVM as well. But, you're able to utilize, and they burn a lot of their tokens. So, it's definitely, a coin, I can say, because Binance is a coin now, have their own blockchain. But, yeah, so, it's definitely something you guys want to check out, man. But BNB, man, we're up 21% over the last week. So really pushing up. I really like BNB. We added BNB, so if you are inside DCG, if you see the alerts I tweet out all the time, we just added BNB to the alerts as well. So you're able to actually utilize BNB, on that, on a trendy alerts set up by my man Mike Miller. But man, let's check this out right here, man. Solana. Look at Solana. Solana, you guys see right here. Solana, we pushing up, trying to break above this resistance level here, but We see what happened with Solana last night. It pushed down, but bounced right back up too. That's another thing people gotta look at too. But it pushed down, but it bounced right back up. The market is trying to get bullish. You know what I mean, for a little bit. And if you're looking at, just look at this chart. You guys can see right here. Just look at the chart. Solana is in an upward trend. Solana is in an upward trend at the moment. So, you know what I mean. Just looking at the chart. So, it's something that, you know what I mean, to look at. They're trying to push it. They're trying to push it. Something's going on over there. Whereas, it's an upward trend. You know what I mean? Solana is, and you just looking at the chart, and you're going all the way back to June 14th. So it has to put, even though come down, but it's bouncing off and coming back down, bouncing off, pushing back up. So you know what I mean? You look at Solana about $50, on this next push. So if we keep going on, and me personally, I think we're going to have, this whole thing with Taiwan. I don't know with this Taiwan thing, but this whole, I think we're going to have a bullish August. Now September, I don't think it's going to be too strong. I think we might have a little with the merge with ETH. I think we're going to have the merge, and it's going to be, you know what I mean? So it's going to be leading up to that. So just make sure you guys are out, like maybe a day or two before the merge, or taking a lot of profits and sit back and chill, because September traditionally is a red month. All right, so just keep that in mind, guys. You can look at it on the chart and go back and see. But Solana, you know what I mean? Even though this exploit and everything going on, you guys can check this out and see it is on an upward trend, and also it didn't just it pushed down, but it bounced right back up. You know what I mean? So you guys can see on the daily chart, and the volume is there from yesterday. You know what I mean? So just something you got to think about and say, wow, well, what's going on here? Uniswap is doing good as well. The DeFi coins is doing well. The DeFi coins is doing well. So, you just want to look at that and check that out. Because a lot of that money moving from CeFi over to DeFi. But man, let's go right, man. Let's get right into it. It says Solana Wallets targeting the latest multi-million-dollar hack. Over 8,000 internet-connected hot wallets have been compromised so far, but the source of the attack remains unknown. It says the Solana ecosystem appears to be the victim of crypto's latest exploit, with users reporting their funds have been drained without their knowledge from major internet-connected hot wallets, including Phantom, Slope, and Trust Wallet. Wow. The attack is still ongoing, and over 8,000 wallets have been compromised thus far, according to blockchain auditors OtterSec. It says several Solana addresses have been linked to the attack 1, 2, 3, 4, with those wallets amassing at least 5 million worth of Solana, SPL, and other Solana-based tokens from unsuspecting users. So it said the exact cause of Tuesday evening attack remained unclear throughout the night, though it appears to have predominantly impacted mobile wallet users. So, see, that's the thing, man. It's like, so they're saying the mobile wallet, it's the phone, it's the phones. I'm not big on the like the MetaMask or Meta wallet, on the phone, the which color wallet on the phone, the Exodus wallet on the phone. Obviously you see Solana there. That's the thing, man. It's like the mobile, they go after the lazy people, the lazy, greedy people. So it says the exact cause of Tuesday attack remain unclear. So it says that the attacker somehow obtained the ability to sign, initiate, and approve transactions on the behalf of users, suggesting a trusted third-party service may have been compromised in a so-called supply chain attack. So engineers across several networks have found that the bug isn't connected with Solana core code. See, and that's why you're seeing Solana push back up, because it's not Solana. They're saying, this is the it's saying this is probably something like of a third party. So, but in software used by several software wallets, according to a tweet by Solana Status, the attack will inevitably reignite a long-running debate around the security of hot wallets, which stay connected to the internet at all times in order to provide users a convenient keyword. The word of the day, guys, convenient way to send, store, and receive crypto cold wallets USB drives that must be plugged into a computer to sign transactions. Exactly. So it says a computer to sign transactions are heralded as a more secure, albeit less convenient alternative. Less convenient. Second word of the day. Less convenient. Do you want to have your money gone, being more convenient? Or do you want to have your money safe and it might be a little less convenient? This right here, guys. This right here. Right here will save you a lot of money. So it's it says here some exploit either the Phantom or Magic Eden drain 6 million in like 10 minutes. Every Phantom wallet getting compromised. Not sure of any other wallets too. So like more so on the mobile. Says we are evaluating the incident impacting Solana wallets and are working closely with other teams in the ecosystem to get to the bottom of this. We will issue an update once we gather more information. Representative Phantom, the largest Solana hot wallet, told Coinbase in a statement. The team doesn't believe that this is a Phantom-specific issue at this time. So, guys, you go in, you gotta revoke it. You gotta take your stuff off. You gotta pretty much revoke all websites. This comes from clicking on a lot of websites as well and linking your wallet to a lot of websites. And a lot of people, they are actually giving the smart contract permission to actually send crypto and remove crypto from their wallet. People just connecting their stuff to different dApps, and then with different smart contracts, and then what they're doing is not only they're saying, hey, yeah, I just want to just be able to participate in this. They're actually giving permission for them to actually remove crypto from their wallets. So guys, you have got to read when you're doing stuff. That's the problem with a lot of people in this space. It's just, oh, give me. I just want to go real quick and get the money and do this and do that. That's not how it works. You have to read what you're doing, guys. I'm telling you, because, throwing it out there, keyword, I'm actually, learning to learning to actually code these smart contracts and build these dexes and do all this stuff now. So, you know what I mean? I'm telling you right now, and it's very easy to get people, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's a lane. You guys see stuff like this getting exploited. You see now. You see, you be able to go in if you're an engineer, you're able to help out. You know what I mean? You make some money, get paid. You know what I mean? To help out on a lot of these things. Being an engineer. So it says I was getting my sunglasses refit when I got a push notification from my mobile wallet that I had sent all the Solana from my wallet. Solana community member Ghost Stack told CoinDesk. It was my main hot wallet, so I had it connected to lots of different mobile and web extension wallet providers, as well as a lot of dApps. Told you. Not clear to me what could have been this root cause. Glad to have most of my funds on a cold wallet. Smart man, most of your funds on cold wallet. I'm not saying, hey, don't use, never use Phantom, never use this, never use MetaMask, nothing like that. I'm not saying that. Or with your MetaMask, you can link. And also, you can link your Phantom wallet to your to cold storage wallet. Because guys, in order for it to be removed, in order for your stuff to have to actually be removed off your cold wallet got to be on. You got to turn it on. You got to connect to the internet. So that's why when people are, oh man, but what about the cold wallet? No, it got to be on. If I don't turn this bad boy on, you know what I mean? It got to be charged up. If I don't turn it on, and then put in my PIN, personally, and then give it permission to actually remove it or withdraw, then I can't do anything. Then you can't do it. There's no way a person from somewhere else can get access to my cold storage wallet from somewhere else, because that's why it's cold. It's cold. It's like a vault. You can't get in unless I actually open up the vault. You can't take out cash from a vault, 20 miles away. You know what I mean? Or across the world, across the country. You have to physically be there and open up the vault and get the cash out. You know what I mean? That's just how it works. So it says it's unclear at the point whether the vulnerability is limited to the Solana blockchain and Trust Wallet and Slope Wallet. User reported losing USDC on both Solana and ETH. So, it's just, guys, you got to be careful with clicking everywhere, clicking everything. That's the problem. A lot of people are too greedy in this space, and they clicking everywhere and clicking everything. You have got to stop. I've seen people lose all kind of money. I've been in this space for a long time, and I've seen people lose a lot of money being lazy and being greedy. I'm telling you right now. So it says, let's go check out this, man. So with DeFi Yama, TVL is talking about, Solana being the 5th largest blockchain. So it says, check out Robinhood. More layoffs, guys. More layoffs. But according to the government, we are not in a recession. But guys, according to the government, but we all know the real thing. Cause we live out here in the real world, guys. We live out here in the real world, and we're seeing malls. You go to a mall on a Friday and Saturday night, and you go to the movies. You're not seeing it packed like you was seeing it before. You know what I mean? I'm putting it out there like that. So it said Robinhood April cuts did not go far enough, says CEO. So Robinhood laid off almost a quarter of its staff amid turbulent markets months after laying off another 9%. So it said Robinhood, the beleaguered stock trading app who gamify user interface brought crypto and meme stock trading into the mainstream last year, is laying off 23% of its staff, the company announced Tuesday. The decline in the value of cryptocurrencies along with inflation were among the causes, the company said. So it says it's the second time in almost as many months that Robinhood has had to jettison staff in April. So it says citing similar micro environmental factors, the company laid off 9% of its employees, acknowledging that its projections and subsequent hiring spree did not ultimately square up to reality. The company had grown around sixfold during the crypto boom lasting from 2020 to early 2022, bringing its employee count from 700 to 3,800. And that's the problem. See, a lot of people blame this stuff on crypto, but no, these are company issues. You go and you go from 700 to 3,800 people in a year, a little over a year. That's your problem. That's the problem. You see what I'm saying? These are company issues. These are bad company and bad processes and bad business. This is what they're doing. They're just hiring a bunch of people. You know what I mean? Think the money will last forever. Think the market will last forever. No, you're going to have these bull and bear markets. You save some of that money. You don't hire people everywhere. And then all of a sudden, you got all this salary you got to pay, plus insurance, plus workman comp, and everything else, taxes on the people, everything. And then you turn around, you pretty much damn near quadruple your if the market probably another 6 months or 7 months, they probably had 7,000. They probably 10x their employees. They probably had 7,000 people. So customer activity slowed, however, as crypto markets declined, the company's share price and revenue went kaput, both dropping by around half since this time last year, according to second quarter earnings revealed alongside the layoffs. So it said that first round of layoffs did not go far enough, and our CEO Vlad Tenev, in Tuesday's statement to employees, he added that the company new plans to introduce a flattened hierarchy centered around general managers, reducing cross-functional dependencies and duplicate roles. Exactly. They were just hiring people, just to hire people. I'm telling you, man, I know. I've went to these conferences and stuff and go to different meetups and stuff. It's people that have come from, just been in crypto for 2 or 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. Top positions over at these companies. In crypto. They probably had some crazy made up director of iPhone users for crypto at Robinhood. Crazy. 100,000, 120,000 a year. You know what I mean? Crazy. It's crazy, man. I ran to people. Oh, yeah. I just got in crypto 4 months ago. Like, what? So last year we staffed, and then wonder why this stuff belly up. So last year we staffed many of our operation functions under the assumption that the heightened retail engagement we had been seeing with the stock and crypto markets in the COVID era would persist into 2022, wrote Tenev. In this new environment, we are operating with more staffing than appropriate As CEO, I approve and took responsibility for our ambitious staffing trajectory. This is on me. It is exactly on you. Exactly on you, Vlad. All right? But yeah, man, that's what happened. When these companies, they're moving too fast. They're doing too much. Doing too much too soon. So this feature, though popular, have nevertheless attracted scrutiny. On Tuesday, Robinhood was slapped with a $30 million fine by the New York Department of Financial Services. The department determined that Robinhood has failed to comply with anti-money laundering regulation required of crypto asset vendors. Wow. Yeah, so Robinhood, they got some of the money. Where they going to lay off so many people and pay that fine? But yeah, man, I'm telling you right now, this is what's the problem, man. They hiring too fast. A lot of these companies, they hire too fast. They spend too much money. And then now, people's money is stuck on exchanges. The people's money, you know what I mean? They can't withdraw it, or they just pretty much, a lot of these joints went insolvent. So it's just crazy. It's crazy right now. But man, we're going to do a Q&A real quick. Do you want to hop off? You guys have any questions, make sure you type it inside the chat. And we'll answer some questions for you guys. Then we'll hop off of here, man. We're going to enjoy this Wednesday. Beautiful day. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful day, guys. Shout out to everybody out there. But, man, yeah, man. One of my favorite coins, man. Woo-wee. BNB. Doing this thing. People always talk shit about BNB. You know what I mean? You say what you want to say. But we laughing all the way to the bank. You know what I mean? I've been telling people over and over again. BNB and the reason why. Everybody always trying to look for the nice new thing, the new shiny thing, but that new shiny thing gets real rusty. That's the part they forget. It gets rusty. You gotta have that thing that's been sitting there and been holding you down. Holding you down. That's what it is. BNB, baby. BNB pushing up. Cardano pushing up. Another coin, man, a lot of people, I've been trying to tell a lot of people to, I've been telling people for a little while to get, and man, I had a good week with it last week, man. I had a good week with it last week. That's FILE. FILE. Doubled my money last week. FILE ran right up. You see the volume here. FILE at 587. In a matter of 3 days, it doubled. You see right here at 95. So, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, it was definitely a good look. With FILE pushed down, bounced off that 7 day, still looking bullish. I mean, the market overall. But yeah, man, FILE data is going to be huge. It's huge in Web 2. Data is going to be huge. Data and storage is going to be huge in Web 3. I mean, that's what you got nodes for. You know, when you're looking at Web 3, it's all about, the information on the nodes. You know what I mean? So, so just having this information and having FILE coins like FILE coins, storage, but FILE is the main one. I think it's going to be huge. We know it was at, I think like $230, $240, at the height of the market. So you get a coin like this at $5-6, in which, obviously I was getting, because I think it's going to be big. You just want to, I would say, try to get about 100 to 200. 200 would be good. If, for the risk, I don't want to tell you what to do, but what I'm saying is I think it's a good look getting about 100 to 200 of these coins and sit back and chill, because if you got 200 of these coins, guys, and you're buying it now, you got 200 coins. I'm not saying you got to buy it all out right now, but you can buy 25 at a time. You know what I mean? Every week, 25, and then work your way up to 200 coins over the next few years, and then 10, however you want, whatever you can afford. But I think this is something that you're gonna thank me. You're gonna thank me in 2025. You're gonna be like, wow, because the setup is there. The company is behind and everything. Like I said, the setup is there for. I think it's gonna be huge. Well, I already know what it's gonna be, because it's already there. It's already set up. EVMs and everything like that. All it's set up already. We all know Ethereum ain't going anywhere. We all know all the EVMs like BNB and Uniswap and Solana and all them. They're not going nowhere. And I'm telling you right now, yo, AVAX, all of them, Filecoin. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, man, what we're gonna do is if we have any questions, we're gonna get off a chair. But yeah, man, it's something I really think is gonna be really nice. As you guys can see right here, Filecoin. But man, Bitcoin, Ethereum, looking good. We did hit that, hit this right here, this resistance on Ethereum. We're getting close to 1800, a few days ago. But we're gonna bounce down here. We're gonna push back up. We get above the 7-day, or pretty much this resistance right here is 1700. And we'll push up. I think we continue to push up. I think we'll have a nice August. You're gonna make your money in August, and then I think after the merge, I think in September it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something. But man, I'm gonna see you guys next video. I don't see any questions. What up? Shout out to my bro Mo. Shout out to Street Credit was good. Shout out to everybody that's on the live right now. We'll keep banging, man. We'll keep getting this money. We'll keep investing and doing things the right way. We're not gonna get too crazy. In a bear market, guys, that's where you can make the best money, and also learn the most too, because everything's slowed down. Everybody not saying, "Oh, buy this, get that, ooh, get that, this and you just go on this and trying to buy everything. Bear market, slow things down, look at things. You can read white papers. You can go on the websites. You can read what's behind it, who's behind it, who they partner with, what you can do, what you can't do, those type of things in a bear market versus, oh, I see some TikTok, I see some Instagram, oh, so on YouTube, oh, and the boom, and the people just doing this, doing that, clicking their wallets, connecting this and connecting to that. And I'm telling you right now, a lot of these people wallets that probably got drained with Solana, probably doing a bull market, clicking on all these dApps, linking all their wallets with their phone. Like they say, it's mobile. It's their mobile wallet with their phone. You know what I mean? Clicking them with their phone, mobile wallets, and buying all this different stuff. And then what happens? And they got all these different things on their wallet, all these dApps on their wallet, and they compromise. And then they give them permission to all these different websites. They didn't even check it out. Yeah. Oh, it popped up last year. Everything popped up last year. But it's just like, it's like you kind of got with Filecoin, you have, all this stuff here, man. All this stuff. I mean, people look at me, people like, oh man, I wish I was like you. I wish I got in early and this and that. Well, realistically, you got a time machine. Because a lot of these coins that a lot of people say they wish they got in when it was cheaper, here you go. This is your shot. The problem is when it get cheaper, people think it'll get cheaper. And that's the problem. Nobody knows what's the bottom. Nobody knows the bottom. And you're going to have bullish periods during bear markets. It's that simple. Just like we have bearish periods during the bull market. So what you got to do is you got to look and say, okay, what are the coins that I actually like? You know what I mean? What are the coins like Matic? Matic is real good. Uniswap going to be around, guys. Uniswap going to be around. You know what I'm saying? Despite everything, Solana going to be around. I'm just letting you know. Solana going to be around. It got too much people, too much money. Uniswap going to be around. Obviously, BNB, Binance going to be around. You know what I mean? Bitcoin, Ethereum, these type of things. Litecoin gonna be around. People talk shit about Litecoin, gonna be around. You just gotta find your projects, find what you like, invest into them, understand the reason why you're buying into them as well. But yeah, I mean, if you're getting Filecoin right now for what, $7-8? It once was 200 something bucks. I mean, next bull market it might be 400. You see what I'm saying? If you got 200 coins. And a coin is $400 a pop. You do the math on that. I know. I've been around. I have got coins. I have called coins out. I got coins. It went up over 30,000%. And I don't want to sit there and and toot my horn, but I don't really know too many. I don't really know too many people that actually called joints out like that. You know what I'm saying? But You just gotta look at those coins. And the next coin that's gonna be crazy, 30,000% coin. You're not gonna hear about it until about 2024. I'm keeping a buck with you. Those coins gonna be crazy. You haven't heard from them yet. You gotta wait till the next bull market. But yeah, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Make sure I'm trying to keep this down to half an hour. Make sure you guys follow me on all my different social media that you guys see below. Make sure you guys, appreciate it, bro. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you share this content with everybody and all your friends and family members. Like I said on Twitter, we are actually, we're giving a lot of information over there on Twitter. And keep the convo. Make sure you guys follow us so you guys can interact with us on Twitter Spaces as well. We're going to have a lot of fun on Twitter Spaces. We definitely going to keep that going. But yeah, man, I'm going to see you guys next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.